Hello everyone, welcome to CuteCarTV where we look at all the fun stuff. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the CHIQ CHIQ Smart. I think it's called the CHIQ Smart Style Air Conditioner, 1.0 horsepower. The model number is CSC-09DDA, and we're going to have a look at the box before we do the unboxing. So let's go and have a look at the box, shall we? Excited? Let's go! So before we're going to have a look at the inside the box, we have two types of boxes here. This is the indoor air conditioner and that's the compressor. So we're going to have a look at the indoor small box first before we look at the big box, okay? Let's go and have a look. So here is the box. It says CHIQ Smart Style, 1 horsepower. It gives you 10 years warranty for the compressor. Ooh, not bad for the compressor, not for the indoor unit, for the compressor. And if I'm not mistaken, the remote control for the Mirandi series, you get 6 months warranty. That's what it says in the warranty page online. This is the box itself. Let me have a look at the box here. It's a very heavy box, so I'm gonna have to move it around a lot. Yeah, let me, if you can see the box, CSC-09DDA, turbo cooling, which I like, golden fin, R32 Refrigerant, and down here is some of the specs. Okay. Product weight, capacity, type and all that. And it's a flammable product. For air conditioning is always a flammable product. And basically on this side, just some billing information. I'm not going to show you that. One thing I wanted to show is the size of this thing. How big is this thing, right? Because a lot of people want to buy air conditioning. They're gonna look like, how are we gonna carry this box because it's so heavy. So yeah, so I have a measuring tape here and I'm gonna measure it for you so you don't have to. Give me a second. So it's actually 13 inches and the length is 34 inches. 34 inches. Okay, this box, the small box weighs about 10 kilos. So actually anyone can carry it. It's not heavy. So if the transportation or logistics guy says pay $100, $200 to carry up the stairs, just tell them, ask them for a discount, because this thing you can carry yourself. The only thing you want to carry is that. This is very heavy. And it's a very big box. So let's have a look at that box now. This is the box for the compressor. 10 years warranty. On the website it says 5, here it says 10. Let's slap a 10-year warranty compressor for the compressor. Handle with care. It's a really big box. There's all the information here. R32 gold fin, the same stuff that you see on the inside of the smaller box here. This one. Yeah, basically that's what it's all about. At the back, nothing much. Okay, so you're gonna go right into the unboxing section and we're gonna unbox the box. Let's go. Alright folks, let's go and unbox this box. I got my scissors. Wow. And then here, they got this kind of bussy here. Okay. Oh, there we go. We got it open. There we go. It's nice and wrapped in the box here. See? It's very nice. Okay. Just make sure that just make sure they don't throw the box, because a lot of logistics guys, they like to carry this box and they throw it around. You see all the polystyrene inside here will break because the polystyrene is not that high quality. So, camera was off because he was too excited to open this box. This is not the usual unboxing I do, because the usual unboxing I do is the smaller stuff. It's really huge. Wait a second, let me flip the box so that when we put it upside down, it's so much easier. Alright, so we have flipped the box upside down because it's very hard to open. And we are going to show you the air conditioning, how it looks, the design, everything. 1, 2. Are you ready? 1, 2, 2. Wow. See that? See that? Show you that. Always check your aircon before you install it from the technician, because the technician is just going to open the box and he's going to just do all his work. When you buy air conditioner, you want to have an unboxing session for your own personal use, and you want to check what you have in the box before you go buy stuff. So what do you have in the box? Look what I found. We have 2 batteries, AAA. Some covers, the thank you for purchasing the booklet, and you the remote control. So cute. Look at that. Okay. Let's see this thing. What does it say here? It's more health, sleep, turbo, speed. I feel. Sleep timing is very good. You can time it 1 hour, so you don't waste electricity bill. Clean, it's self-cleaning, function. I like a lot of new air conditioning, especially the inverter, the expensive one. They have the clean function. This is the whole sweep there, something like that. Yeah, basically just the warranty documentation and stuff, and some plastic and cover or something. Plastic tape. Oh folks, look, it connects with the UK plug. So UK folks, if you're watching from the UK, London, Manchester, Bristol, Northern Ireland, UK plug folks. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm getting out of the box and I'll show you how it looks like. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So, UK plug here. This is the hoses. I'm not really sure what this is for. Like the hose goes in here. This is the plate for the wall. You're gonna take it out and screw the screws into the wall. This is the plate. Yep. Alright, so I flipped it upside down. compressor and everything working. So this is just an unboxing video. If you want to have a look at the aircon when it's all fully finished and installed on the wall, just wait till the end of the video. Just wait until I install this to the wall, and then you will see how beautiful this thing looks on the wall. And then we'll see how big it is, so you know which product you should buy to install this 1 HP air conditioning. So let's move on to open up the Miranda series CHIQ CSC-09DDA. Oh yeah, by the way folks, this air conditioning, I'm going to put up the stats of this air conditioning. What are the specs of it? Put some photos and stuff, during my unboxing videos you can see what the specs. But this one, it uses 888 watts. Put the calculation after I put down the calculation of the PNB power consumption and energy cost using this aircon. I bought this air conditioner because it's like 888 watts on it. It's higher than the other brands, but here are some of the specs. Look at that. Cooling capacity 2638, power input 890 watts, about 888 watts, and then we have the current input is 4 amps. Rated power 1350. I think that's at the maximum, so it's -16 degrees is 1350. This is the maximum power, and the low power is 890. And everything else, it's waterproof, IPX4, yeah, and it has the SIRIM logo here, SIRIM logo. Alright, that's nice. The other side it says 2 stars. 2 stars. Yeah, but I don't care whether it's 2 stars, 1 star, 0 star. I don't care, because when I use aircon, it depends on the situation, and I'm not the type of person who uses aircon 24 hours a day. So I don't care how many stars you are. Alright, if you use your air conditioning responsibly, doesn't matter how many stars you are. Okay folks, so make sure you use your aircon responsibly, and you don't have to look at the stars. This star thing is for people who don't know anything. So make sure you know your air conditioning, you know how much it uses, and be responsible when using your air conditioning. You don't have to care about stars. Just remember to pay your electric bill on time, and know how much you have to use, and be responsible, and be fine. Alright, so that's how it looks like on this side. Okay, alright, let's take a look, unboxing of the compressor side now. Alright folks, let's go and unbox this compressor. You know why? There's not a lot of unboxing videos in Malaysia showing you unboxing of an air conditioner. But hey man, I'm gonna do it because it's a lot of fun. So let's get on to this bad boy and unbox this bad boy box. God, look at that, girls and boys. That was the easiest unboxing ever. Oh my god. Alright guys, just give a like and subscribe if you already saw the unboxing. Just like that. Yeah. Okay, so now we have a look at this compressor, shall we? This is the compressor. Man, you can have that on the outside. Less than a meter. 1 meter free hose. This and the hose. Okay, so what do you get in this plastic? Lovely remote control here. I'll already show it to you now, then later. Beautiful remote control. I like this small LCD. Nice place for the battery. Has a LED light here. And socket comes right in, slide it on right like that. See, we give you this thing, really nice. Slides right in, goes onto the wall, looks like that. Cool, like it looks like a small little mobile phone, like back in the 90s. I like this remote control. Looks sexy, sexy and hot. Look at the shape of it. It's like ergonomic. Got another. They talk about that a lot. It's nice. You get the battery for the remote. screws to screw that bracket into the wall for the remote control. This is some cover for the air conditioning, you know, when you close the ports and everything, you just put it back. The shipping list: indoor air unit, remote control, triple air batteries, remote control bracket, screws, plastic, expensive pipe, 2, operation manual, installation manual, cover plate, and warranty card. So that's basically what you get in the box for all the things that you buy. So you have a shipping list. Interesting, it's the first time. You have a sticker. Oh, like Apple stickers. Nice. Sticker, something you want to stick that on. It's the warranty card. Fill up, and then just find your local shop in whichever country you are in, and then if you want the warranty, okay, let's look at the warranty here. Air conditioner, 2 years. The compressor, 5 years. The remote control, 6 months. See, I told you 6 months. But the compressor is 5 years. But on the box here it says 10 years, right? So maybe in Malaysia it's 10 years, other countries it's 5. And yeah, the remote control is 6. So if it doesn't work when you start using it the first time, just go and tell them to get you a new one and give it for free. Usually like that. Happens all the time. Yeah, and this is the user manual, folks. So anything you buy, you come with a user manual. You have a new car, new house, new sofa, new TV, new wife, new girlfriend. It becomes a user manual. Please read the user manual. Okay? Very, very important. Before you use your product or whatever you bought or whatever you have that you just bought, just read the user manual so you understand how it was designed and engineered, and when to service it and maintain it. Okay? How to install it, stuff like that. So that's basically what you get in the box. Okay, folks, I think that's about it for the unboxing video. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and then we move on to the installation. Oh, I forgot. Wait, that trunking thing, the trunk thing. So let's go and have an unboxing of the trunk thing, for the cables. Let's go. Alright, so here's a separate thing. In this icon you don't get the bracket, so you have to buy the bracket too, which is you have to spend extra money for the bracket so you can mount the compressor on the wall. So I'm just going to open up the box here. I buy myself. You have to buy all. So this is the box. This is a cover for the trunking. This is the end so it actually mounts to the air conditioner where the wires come out to the air conditioner. Okay, this is one part. This is the wall mount. This to the wall. All the cables are inside. And then close it. So it looks nice on the wall, and water and dust accumulate into your cable. Because you protect it. So not like the cheap, some countries like the cheap pasang aircon and then jalan, you know. But we have to be proper. So you buy this cover with pipes, you know, it lasts to break. And you know, when you put it under the sun, you know, because this is only cost like 5-6 ringgit only. But the pipes and everything cost like everything. So yeah. that's what I bought. That's for the so here it is. Open it. Here's how it looks like. Flexible tracking. It's really a lot. It looks like. Here's one. So you can actually it connects, closes. So you actually have to put holes in the wall and then close it. See? This is what you occupy. So it's open. You see? So all your wire inside here. See? Protects from all safe. This I buy additional. Doesn't come with that. You have to buy separately. So basically folks, this is what I here's some B-roll. Blue fan. Thing, the 3-pin plug is fused. It has a fuse in it. See? It says fused. So there's a fuse. So there's a lightning or anything, you'll blow the fuse first so it doesn't blow the aircon. It's good it has a fuse. Very good. Safety first. I forgot to tell you all that the compressor is right hand. The refrigerator cable is on the right side. The cable on the right side, not the left side, because we mount it like this on the wall. So the cable come out on the right. On the left here got nothing, empty. Okay. So the cable is on the right side. So if you're mounting on the wall, it's at the right side, right hand. Thank you. For those are trying to imagine or make this compressor looks like. In 2D from the video you cannot see, so I put a pen. Everybody knows what a pen size looks like. So there it is. That's how big the compressor is compared to the pen. It's not so big lah, it's small. Like a 27-inch LCD monitor height, like that. Yeah. So nice lah, nice. For studio apartments, for mid-sized apartments, service apartments, penthouse, or you have like a tree house, or you have a house on the tree, or you know, maybe on the boat, on the yacht, anywhere you want to install an aircon like this. Okay, nice lah, nice size, not bulky lah, not bulky. I like the size, compact. But that's the size lah compared to the pen. For those who don't know how big this thing is, it's not big, it's compact. Alright folks, so another thing that you need for aircon installation is you need to get this construction mat. See, 6x6 construction mat, so that when you do the installation of aircon, the dust doesn't fall on the floor and on the furniture and everything. And then if you want to have a switch, you have to buy the switch. This one, you have a quick look at it. Gold color, Lux. This is 13 amps, 260 volt, Malaysia, UK spec or whatever. And I bought this for like $4.60, something like that. And I have a spare one here. This one is from Schneider Electric, the Affle Plus switch. See here, Schneider Electric. I got this on discount for satu ringgit. 1 ringgit is about maybe around 40 cents. 1 ringgit, original one with screws for here and here. And you need to buy the bracket. So here's the bracket. Comes with the screws here. I will show you the bracket. Let me open. Here's the bracket. The model is AS128, 3 horsepower, from the brand of Anmerly. This is like one of the best aircon bracket for the compressor. Okay, so the screw right here. Let me open it and I'll show you what the bracket looks like. Okay. Here got the open the box. Inside got some more screws. And this is very heavy, 2.4 kg. Look at this. Look how thick the metal is. You know, for 1 horsepower aircon compressor, I will put a 3 horsepower bracket. Why? Because the compressor is very heavy, and for safety reasons we want to make sure that the bracket does not collapse. So like this, see? So I've got 2 of these, one more inside here. I'm not going to show you because it's take a lot of space. But then basically you put the nut in here and then you screw it in, and then they have like a, I like it. This one has like a hook here, so that it goes like that, and then the compressor fall on top. It actually carries the weight here. It also carries the weight here. It also carries the weight here. Because this one, if you bend, it will go all the way. It will take friction in here also. So got 1, 2, 3, and then this is the lubang here, a hole to screw in the compressor joints. Basically, you know, like this. very heavy, or you want to see the thickness. Okay, the thickness like this, very thick, very thick material. Also very sharp in the edges here. So make sure you wear gloves when you install, because it might cut your fingers or you bruise your fingers because it's very sharp here. So yeah, some more. This is stainless steel. It does not rust. Fully stainless steel. So let's have a look at the screw. Screws. They gave me the screws actually. That's nice. Handy. Every time there's a let to give screw. So here's the screw. Alright folks. With the quality screws, you want to see the nuts. Here's one example. Check it out. This one goes into the wall. Very thick nut. This is the quality that you want. This is not for like show. This is for safety reason. This is not for show off or anything. Having good quality parts like this is not for showing off. It's actually for safety reasons. So you want to make sure that everything that you install on the wall does not collapse. Because air conditioning, the compressor very heavy. Alright, so you need all these stainless steel, screws, whatever, and make sure their quality is good, so it lasts as long as longer than the air conditioner will last. So next time when you change the air conditioner, the screws are still okay, and that's the safety. So that's why you have good screws. Set the screws. These are extra screws. I think this one's for the screwing in the part there, and this one is for the wall. So basically that is it. There's another one over here. Same thing. Alright everyone, so we already installed the air conditioner, and there it is on the wall. Okay, this is the trunking, professionally done by the technician. If you've never seen it before, it comes in through the trunking and then it's done. Really nice, really simple, really neat, and I really like that. Air conditioner, and you have the plug here, and also the remote control. So you've got to switch it on. Simple CHIQ remote control. I put in the battery and everything. So there we go. We have a click, beep, and then when you switch it on, 17. Ta-da! Switch it off with one click. So if you press once, it'll switch off. Press it again, it'll switch on. And it'll take some time. This is turbo mode, up and down, speed. Yes, medium. High and auto. So I like to keep it. Because then you get it does the condensation process is faster, and it takes all the humid air in the room and it condenses it faster. Sweep. This is vertical sweep. We have horizontal sweep. Vertical sweep. If you look at that. And clean, so it's self-cleaning. This one you give it to check the temperature on its own, and then it will adjust to the room temperature. But I don't like that, so I put it on. It's done, right? So there you have it, folks. I just have to show you now. How much power it used. 1 month of my test, and I'll show you how much it costs to run this thing for a month. Let's go look at my TV electricity bill right now. Let's go. So basically it's very quiet. Even the aircon is very quiet. See? You can sleep like a baby with this air conditioning. It's very quiet. So basically, I myself, when I'm falling asleep, I don't know whether my aircon switch off or on, because when you put the timer mode, you don't realize it's on or off. I put it on 1 hour, and then when it's going to stop, it's going to stop the air conditioning, but then the fan still runs for like maybe 5 minutes, and then it switches off. I like the way it does it. It's very quiet. And one thing is, it's so quiet that sometimes you don't know whether the aircon's on or off. So that's really nice. Very silent air conditioning, which I really like a lot. Alright, let's just go for that TMB bill consumption and we'll wrap up the video, alright? Alright folks, so just one more thing is, the aircon takes like about, I think my room is about 400 square feet where I am now, and it takes about maybe 10 to 15 minutes for the room to cool, which is good. So far I haven't had any issues. I've been using it for a few months already, this aircon, and I kind of like it. Okay, it takes about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and when you first install it, you have to give the compressor to run for a month, and then the aircon is cold. Like basically the aircon's cold. After a month, everything just works properly. You know, like you burn in the aircon so that it runs properly like a new car. You know, you have to really use it for a month, for 1,000 kilometers. After 1,000 kilometers, then you can actually drive very, very fast with the car, right? That's what they say from the dealership. Same with the aircon, you have to burn it in for a while. Give it like a month, and then after that the aircon will work at its optimum performance. And now you see it's very cold, so yeah, very good. I like it. So you folks, if you're looking for a beginner's first aircon for your beautiful condominium, apartment, bungalow, whatever you have, or a small room that you want to put aircon, this is a nice addition to the room. There's a display up there, very quiet, very, very quiet. So even the compressor, you can't even hear the compressor. Can you hear it? Let me show you how the compressor sounds like right now. You can't hear the compressor at all. This is a quick addition to the video for the door seal, because we have some air leaks in the door and we want to seal up the room so that the air conditioning doesn't leak out into the air, into the outside. And this is the seal we can put on the door to airlock the room so that the room becomes cooler and it retains the cool air in the room for longer. And this is the seal that you have to put under the door, so you seal it off and you don't let the indoor air go outside, and it's more efficient, and the aircon actually gets cooler even faster, and the room gets cooler even faster, which saves you money because you don't have to put the aircon on too long, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, and then you can switch it off and the room will stay cool for maybe 2, 3, 4 hours. So yeah, that's what it is for. This is the product. It's like an air strip, like an air seal strip for the door. It's really, really nice. So here you can see I've already installed the air seal for the door, and it actually closes off the space between the door and the floor, and it creates a very good isolation, and the air does not escape as much as before. In the packaging, they do give you under the what do you call this, the product marketing information. There's a sticker at the back there, which they also give it to you for free, which I didn't know about that until I realized, where's the sticker? There's a sticker there, and they give you a lot, but I use a different one. I use a better quality 3M adhesive double-sided sticker, and to stick this rubber air seal under the door. But the ones they give are okay, they're good, but they're not the best, but they work. How to check fine. If there's an air leak? Take a piece of paper. This is your strip. Put under the door. You cannot go in. The door is fully. Paper cannot go under the door. That means it's sealed. If you open the door. Nice. Hello folks, welcome back to the video. Now we're going to look at the electrical consumption of the aircon, and I have two bills here which I've done my testing. Over here we have the bill dated to 16th of January 2025, and here we have another one on the 16th of February 2025, so this is 1 month. Okay, and so we have to see. So I started the test on I installed the aircon, say something on the 24 January. So 24 January, we just put here 24, and then we minus 16, 8 days, okay? And 16th to 16th of February, the bill is 54, 35, and 66, 33. So we're going to key in here 54, 35 minus 66, $11.95. So basically, what do we learn? Well, we learned the differences is my normal bill, if I don't have the aircon, is about $54.35. And when I install the aircon and I use it like 1 or 2 hours a day, like I try to use it as much like a month. Like the last few days, when the tariff went up, I used like maybe extra days, like extra hours, like 4 or 5 hours. So I try to make it like 1 hour, 2 hours a day for the whole 30 days. I try to use it 2 hours a day. And the last few days, because we don't have enough days, because we're 8 days short in 30 days, so we only use it for 20. We only use it for 22 days. So in this test, we're going to use it for 22 days on the aircon. So the last few days, I used a little bit for a few more hours, just to sum up the amount of hours I use it for a month. So basically, the difference is 11 ringgit 95 cents. So that is basically 1 or 2 hours a day using the aircon. I'm just paying extra $11.95 or 12 ringgit lah. 12 ringgit. Yeah. So 66.30. 66.30 minus, this is with the aircon, 2 hours a day for 30 days, and 54.35. So 12 ringgit is actually the consumption for the aircon.
Wow!
And the rest is for everything else, like the lights, the fan, and everything in the house. So I only pay $12 for the aircon to switch it on for 2 hours a day. So it's a good thing, you know. And that shows that the aircon is very efficient. And this aircon is not using any inverter; it's just a normal aircon, you know, 1 horsepower, and it's 888 watts. The consumption for an hour is 19 cents per hour. So if I switch the aircon on for say 5 hours, I pay 1 ringgit of electricity. 1 ringgit for the electricity bill. 1 ringgit for 5 hours to switch the aircon on. So there you have it, folks. The aircon, the CHIQ aircon, 1 horsepower. That's all it costs. If you use it more than 2 hours a day, you might pay a little bit more than 12 ringgit, maybe 20 ringgit. But the maximum, if you use it 5 or 6 hours a day, you'll be paying, like for me, I will be paying around 68 to 75 ringgit to keep the aircon on every single day for maybe around 5 hours. Right, so it depends on the time of the day. In the morning, I don't switch it on. I switch it on in the afternoon, at around 2, and around 5, and around before I go to sleep at night. And you use the 5 hours in the day to switch on the aircon. Whenever it feels very humid and hot, and it's very hot climate in Malaysia, sweaty, humid, and you get the phone. We live in the very hot climate in Malaysia, so you have to be very wise and when you install the aircon and when you use it, because you don't want the electricity bill to go up. But overall, this product is I am really impressed. I'm very happy about this product. I did a lot of research about it, and there you have it. The bill before the air conditioning was installed and the bill after the air conditioning installed, and I switched it on for 2 hours a day for 30 days, and I only paid 12 ringgit. So you get the benchmark of what I'm looking at, okay? And if you have any questions, just ask in the comments. So there you have it, folks. We're going to end the video here. So if you have any questions, comments, you like this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, folks. It's not just about cars, it's also about things that make your life more comfortable. If you like this content, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.